Dave Mazza back with us now. And Dave, you say it's not just all the rain we're getting, but it's the amount of wind and how heavy and fast the wind is, right?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, we had wind gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour across parts of our area this afternoon. So that does fall under that severe warning criteria, even though we didn't have much of the thunderstorms themselves. But those are slowly starting to push off towards the east, the strongest of the winds. But we're still seeing breezy conditions across much of our area tonight. You notice the rainfall quickly wisping off towards the east this evening. You can see rain showers all the way wrapped from the north up by I-76 all the way south down into Athens County. These storms continuing to push off towards the north and east this evening into portions of Morgan County towards Noble County. We've got more moderate rain across portions of Perry County with winds gusting into the 40-mile-an-hour range. But the strongest winds are going to be right on the leading edge closer to I-77 over into Guernsey County and already pushing basically through Coshocton County with those rain showers. And you can see those showers continuing back over into Crawford County as well. But all of the warnings we have now in the state are up towards the north and the northeast part of the state, up by the Cleveland metro now, away from our area, which is good news. So I think in the next hour or so, most of us will be in the clear somewhat of seeing the strongest potential for wind speeds. It's still going to be breezy tonight. We're still going to see those winds gusting into the 40s at times this evening, but it's not going to be the same stuff that we saw in the initial line of showers and a couple of rumbles of thunder that pushed those winds into the 50s and even 60s in spots. Outside tonight, we've got quieter conditions now on the Mr. Ritter Tower camera than we did an hour ago. You notice temperatures are responding as well as we're starting to see numbers falling from the upper 50s off towards the south and east to the middle 40s. Not a drastic January-like drop yet, but we're going to continue to work on this air mass throughout the night tonight and heading into the day tomorrow, and that will set us up for a much colder day on your Friday. In fact, most of our area looking at 25 degrees, almost colder tomorrow afternoon than today. You notice our winds are not as strong off towards the east yet, but are starting to pick up, and most of us from about the city and on west seeing sustained winds into the 20s now at this time, with gusts a little bit stronger. So because of that, we still do have wind advisories in effect for much of our area through 9 o'clock tonight, and then we'll still have breezy conditions overnight, but not as gusty, and then eventually that will lead to some scattered snow flurries developing in our area. So a little mixed bag of everything coming our way over the next 24 hours. Friday primarily will just be a colder, more January-like day with highs back into the upper 30s, some scattered snow flurries around, kind of breezy conditions keeping wind chills in the 20s through most of the day. So tonight we'll see our low temperatures by daybreak dropping into the lower 30s. So this is actually above normal to start the day tomorrow, but with little to no movement in temperatures, we're only going to get back maybe a few degrees warmer tomorrow afternoon into the upper 30s here in the city, topping at about 37 degrees with those blowing flurries around. We'll start to clear out a bit to start the weekend off on Saturday. So we're going in the right direction, back up to 39 on Saturday. That'll be the better of the two weekend days outdoors because wet snow showers transition to rain showers, cold rain showers on Sunday at just 38 for the high. We'll stay in the upper 30s to low 40s for Monday and Tuesday. Another system comes in with rain changing to wet snow by Wednesday, and behind that one just reinforcing more January with lots of clouds next Thursday and highs in the middle 30s.